Morning, Steve for you in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are lower overnight. It seems like the recent selling has been managed funds getting out of long positions. I think they were disappointed that the U.S. did not put sanctions on Russia food and energy companies, and that was a big new development that they weren't expecting. As far as other news, again, Russian troops are near the Ukraine capital. There's talk that if Russia takes over Ukraine, that as early as next week, they could begin shipping corn and wheat. They've already promised China that China will get the Ukraine corn that they're due. Right now, the two companies combined would have 20% of the global corn trade and 30% of the global wheat trade. We also in South America seeing better weather with dryness in the central and northern Brazil, showers in southern Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina. Again, I think the market has probably priced in much of the drop in South American production there, but yet to price in any shift in demand. We watch export sales today, see if we did another 1 million tons of beans, almost 1 million tons of corn last week, and somewhere around 200,000 tons of wheat. U.S. export commitments are still behind the pace to meet the USDA numbers, but in case of corn, most people think that we not only will reach USDA numbers, but exceed it. Yesterday, USDA didn't really do anything for the market. They kept much of the soybean 22-23 data similar to the baseline, which shows an adequate amount of beans. The problem is that since November, the USDA has dropped South American crop 20 million tons or 735 million bushels and increased U.S. exports only 10 million bushels. They kept the corn S&D unchanged from baseline, which some people thought a 1900 carryout for 22-23 was bearish. They did raise wheat carryout because of lower exports, which was also thought to be bearish. So we are in a downtrend, profit taking in the grains. I don't think we've seen the highs for the year, but I think we need to get further into March and look at U.S. weather patterns for this spring and summer before we can push through recent highs. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.